So we got the aux cord stuck in there. It was a long cord and it got stuck in the door and it got ripped out. So we're gonna see what we can use to get this out of there. So I was using a manicure set to get it out. Didn't work. And yes, that's what it looks like on my finger. Gum. I stuck some gum in there and it came out. I don't know. MacGyver, I guess. Alright, so you could either still try with some tweezers, but the end of it, I just stuck some gum in there and was like, we're gonna get this thing out. And it came out. Awesome. Later, guys.